What? Seriously, guys, it was my condition, wasn't it?
It's just not fair.
Ah, thank God.
Tissues, thanks for playing. Your presence was disturbing. Anyway, into the portal.
The what?
Rejection portal. In now.
But guys, my condition is really getting bad, guys.